Hey, it's HVAC guy Dave, and I wanted to tell you I installed this Frederick Breeze, and I'm pretty happy with it. I called my electric company, and they gave me a $500 credit. So you can see this here. It says 409 because my bill was actually $123. I got a credit, power adjustment, credit or something. So anyway, but I saved $500. When I installed this, I also got a rebate for the T6 thermostat I installed. So I got a total of $500. So what I was really happy about was this thing runs and it's pretty quiet. You cannot hear it in the house running at all. This is a 4-ton unit for a bigger home. So they do come in smaller units, 2-ton, is only half the size. So if you're out here talking, talking to your friends, having a picnic, there's no problem. You're not going to get chased off by your AC system. You have to move around the corner. So just thought I'd tell you a little bit about the system. It does operate with any furnace that I've seen. Whether you have a Bryant, a Carrier, Duquesne, Weather King. There's a lot of brands out there, but it works with any of them. It's a very ready, user-friendly system. All right, you can call Dave, give us a thumbs up. HVAC guy in the show.